Hello guys, I'm going to be talking about the SuperEx platform and how you can get the ET token and also how you can trade on this platform to make some extra cash. So if you want to know how to take advantage of this platform, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new updates like this for you. So I'm not going to take much of your time. Let's jump into today guys. Now for you to be able to use this platform, you will need to have an account, and to have an account there's a link in the description of this video. Go down below, click on it, sign up with your email address, and you can have a password and you are good to go. You're going to be having a page like this. Now this application has a very nice interface and very beginner friendly. Now the SuperEx platform is a trading platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies daily. You can trade any different kind of cryptocurrencies you have in your wallet or you want to trade. You can come over here and trade on spot or futures daily and make some extra cash. Now to get more of the ET token, you can just click on the airdrop base, which is over here, down here. Let me click on it so you can see over here. So you click on the airdrop base here. Okay, let's just wait few minutes. All right, now when you get to the airdrop base, you will need to go ahead, do some tasks in order for you to get some of the airdrop. So take your time and do all these tasks, and I've already done some. That's why you can see these are the very easy ones, the quickest and the simplest ones to do. I just did them. That is why they are already done, and you can do that on your own too. But I want to do these other ones for you to see. I want us to do it together. I want to show you guys how to do it because I know a lot of you are going to be having issues in how to deposit on this platform, and you know how to trade and also how to withdraw and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, so you make sure you stick to this video to the end, and please give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. It's going to keep motivating me to do more stuff for you guys. So quickly now I'm going to be showing you how to deposit from here now. Okay, so now what we need to do is just to click on deposit, which is over here. Okay, so you can deposit any kind of cryptocurrency you want on this platform, but I'm going to advise you should deposit your USDT because it's going to be easier for you. Once you deposit your USDT, you can trade directly with it, and you won't need to convert your crypto into USDT, because any other crypto you are putting in this platform, you will still need to convert it to USDT before you can be able to trade. So the best thing is for you to deposit USDT and to be able to make your trade on this platform. But as for me, I have TRX, and that's what I'm going to be depositing right now, just to show you guys how to deposit on this platform. That's all. Click on Tron on the TRX button. Okay, yes, then I copy the address from here. All I need to do is click on copy address and it's gone, copied. So now I have to go to my wallet and send it over here. Okay, here we are. I have some Tron on this wallet. Okay, over here. So all I need to do now is to click on send. Where send. All right, click on send over here. I paste my wallet address, and I can let me just put the 44. Yes, let me just send the 44 Tron over there and click. All right, if you want to use this wallet, I can also give you the link is in the description. If you feel like you want to use it, you can use the wallet also. It's not bad, especially for those in Nigeria. I think they will use it. And then go. All right. Okay, now I just send my Tron into the SuperEx wallet. So I'm going to be going over there to check it if it has arrived or not. So now you can see it. I don't have the 44 any longer on my wallet. So let's quickly go back to our SuperEx account to check it out if the Tron has arrived there. So let's go. Okay, so we are back to our SuperEx account now. Now let's click on congrats to prove that we've already deposited and it has been approved over here. We will click on congrats and we shall receive another extra 5 ET on our balance, so which is over here. So now let's click on congrats, which is over here quickly. Okay, now you can see it has been marked completed. Now let's check our wallet to see if we have our Tron in our wallet, our TRX in our wallet right now, the one we sent. Okay, let's go back and we'll click on wallet over here, down here. Then you TRX, okay, which is over here. Very good. You can see I have it on my balance now. It is here. I have 43. I'm sure due to the fee, it is one Tron is gone, so it's now 43 on my balance. I have 43 Tron on my balance right here. So let me go back, show you. Okay, now and on my ET you can see I have, oh, I didn't show you guys earlier on, I had 52 on my balance. So in the deposit I did now gave me this 5 Tron, 5 ET that added it. It's now 57 on my balance. So that is how you can deposit on this platform. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can use the spot feature on this platform. The spot feature is where you can be able to trade spot. So now what I want to tell you before I go any further is this is not a financial advice. I am not giving you any financial advice over here, because this particular thing I want to show you now, this part is extremely risky, and everything you are doing is at your own risk. So make sure if you don't have any idea about trading, take your time to know what is all about. Don't just go in and take your time to do your own research before jumping into anything that you are seeing here. So it is extremely risky. So you can see earlier on we were trading at ET was trading at $22, but right now it is at $11. So you can see the drop down. So the risk, so imagine someone that bought it earlier on at the price of $22 right now, and it is at $11. You can see how much the person has lost. Is in the real depth right now. So I'm going to be showing you how to quickly take advantage of the spot trade and make some extra cash in this video. So now the next thing you need to do is click on trade when you come over here, and you make sure wherever before you go into any trade you are buying anything right now, make sure you are sure of what you're doing. You need to take a look at the charts to know what is going on in the market right now. And I know a lot of people will understand what is going on here, because it's you need to have a little idea about trading to understand how the candlesticks do an analysis on and do a lot of stuff to understand what is really going on here. You can see we dropped down all the way from here, and it is now here. You can see the gap, you can see the drop down. So these are things you need to understand before you go into trading. So maybe I'll make another video for you guys on how to use the candlesticks, read the chart, and understand more, because you are going to be needing these skills for the future trading. To do the future trading, you definitely need these skills. And if you want me to do this for you guys, you should go down below of this video, put in the comment section, just write in the comment section, just tell me future trading, just write future trading, and I'm going to take note of that and make sure I make a video on that for you guys. So quickly, what I'm going to be showing here is just like arbitrage. We are going to be buying quickly at a good price, and once it pump up a little bit and we are able to make profit, we just sell immediately. So that is just what I'm going to be showing you on this particular place. That is what we're going to be doing on the spot trade. So for us to be able to use the token we sent into this platform, I sent the TRX, so I will need to change this into TRX stroke USDT, because we need to change it to USDT in order for us to be able to buy the ET token. All right, so click TRX USDT, that's the pair. Now the next step we need to do is to sell, because we have TRX already available. So you need to sell. Click on sell. So once we click on sell, you can see the TRX available on our balance already, which is here. What we need to do is to click on sell. we'll sell. Okay, now you can see what it's saying. We don't have the minimum. The minimum for us to be able to exchange is 60 TRX. We need the minimum of 60 TRX to be able to exchange. So now quickly, I already have some USDT on my balance, which I can quickly use to show you guys how to buy quickly. And so what I need to do is click here. I'll go back to my ET. Okay, and sorry, let me go back. I click on buy this time around. I have, okay, now you can see I have about $1.42 on my balance. So I can quickly use it to buy the ET token right now and make some extra cash. So now what you need to do before you buy, you have to be sure of the price you are buying. So right now, see, look at the price at which the ET is worth right now. Is now trading at the rate of $15. At $15, that's how much you can buy ET right now. So if we should buy it right now and the price increases again to like maybe 20 or 20 something, we're going to be making profit, and we're going to sell from there. But now quickly, let me just show you how to buy so you can know how to do it by yourself. Make sure you know how to use the price action and use this to make extra money. So now what we'll do is to drag this over here, full it, because I want to use everything on the balance to buy it. Then I click on buy ET. Then we go. Yeah, successful. You can see it is successful. So we just bought ET worth of $1.4 right now. And for us to be able to see what we just bought, we can quickly click here to see the history. So you can see on the order history, I've already bought before. I've done some transaction earlier on before doing this video. So you can see what I did here is I bought at the price of 29 of the 29 dollars, and I sold it at the price of 33. So that is how I made some profits from the spot trading. Now look at the one we just the order we just placed, the one we just bought. We bought at the price of $15. So imagine this thing gets back to like $33. I'll be making double of this money. I'll be making double of the money I used in buying this ET right now. So that is how you can quickly use this spot trade to make extra money. You have to be very good at you have to know how to use the price action to make money with this. So now the price has increased. You can see we are now trading at the price of $24. Remember, we bought it at the price of $15. So now it has increased, and this is the right time to sell and to be able to get a little profit from this platform. So the best thing to do is to sell. So what we do is to click on sell. Remember, I bought it with 1.4, I guess, something like that. Yeah, 1.4. So now let's do sell all. You see, if I sell now, I'll be getting 1.7, making profit on it. I made some profit. So if the more amount I used in buying this is very high, I'm definitely sure the profit is going to be high too. So that is what happened here. I just waited for the price to increase, then I'm going to be selling what I bought and take my profit. So quickly, let me show you how to sell. So now what we do is to click on sell. We click sell. Okay, successful. Order has been successful. Now so we just sold it, and we've gotten back our profits with the money, our capital we put in it. So basically, that is what you should be doing with this application in order to make some extra cash, especially using the sports trade. This is how you do. It's basically for you to buy when it's low and sell when the price gets high. You're going to be making profit. So quickly, let's go back to the airdrop base and see if we're going to claim our extra 5 ET that is available for anyone that made a trade with the spot transaction. Okay, here we are. So now what we need to do is to click on congrats. You can see it has turned to completed. It has turned to completed. So surely we've gotten some surely we've gotten the 5 ET on our balance. We can check that out. Let's click on wallet. click on wallet. Here now you can see I have $60. I said sorry, I have 60 ET 62 ET on my wallet, which which has increased. And also I have, this is the USDT I've been using to make the little trade for you guys to see. So I still have it there. So now what I like I said, basically this is for you to just know how to trade. You buy once it's low and sell once it's high. That is what you are going to be doing with the spot trade. Now the next feature, let's go to the airdrop base. All right, so in order for you to be able to unlock your tokens, you need to be able to do all these tasks. You need to complete all these tasks. You know, we still have 2 left, which is invite a friend and do the feature trading. So like I told you, to do feature trading, you need to be a professional trader. You need to understand how to read the chart, and also now you need to invite a friend to sign up, and you are going to be able to unlock, but you won't be unlocking the whole ET instantly. You are going to be unlocking them gradually. And if you can invite friends who is a very good trader and can easily trade the futures, once the person start trading futures and is making profit, you are going to be unlocking your ET also as well. So that is how these are the rules of the unlocking of the airdrop. So although the company also said, it is said that the company is going to also provide other means of unlocking the ET apart from trading. So it is not a bad idea if you have some ET right now. So you can go down below description of this video, join this platform if you want to be part of it. There's a link in the description. Click on it, sign up, and you're gonna be having a 10 ET on your wallet, but it's going to be locked anyway. So you need to go through all this process, the procedure, in order to unlock it. So that is all for this video. If you like what I showed you and you want to be part of it, give this video a thumbs up first of all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.